Good morning, traders. It is Monday, 30 minutes into trading. It is October 7th. Let's find some great trades. First, we have to get our market bearings. So we can see here that the market's been selling off pretty dramatically on what looks to be a double top formation. We've been able to find support right here at SPY 285, long tails under body, another long tail under body just above that 200-day moving average. Last week we got some weak economic news. ISM Services was the straw that broke the camel's back. We had a deep drop on Thursday and an instant reversal. If I go into a 5-minute chart, actually I go into a 15-minute, be a little easier for us to see. There's the ISM Services number, huge drop with a big green bar right after it. This is what we were looking for on a 5-minute basis. We had green bars stacked one on top of the other. That's exactly what we wanted, and from that point on we have been in go-go rally mode. I posted a video Thursday right in here. I said buy, 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 buy. Boom. Friday, right on the open, I said we're going to get follow through buying. Buy, buy, buy. We're going to get through some major resistance levels. That's exactly what happened. We're going to zoom out, take a look at what that resistance is right now. And these are the levels that we want to see preserved. That's SPY 294. We're just below it and we've tested it. We've also come down to the 100-day moving average, and for right now it looks like it's going to hold. So let's go to the 5-minute chart, and you can see here how support is holding right above that 100-day moving average. So let's take a look at one of my favorite indicators. I'm going to take the SMAs off. And this is the 10P indicator, and I've been telling everybody this morning I'm waiting for this thing to drop, which it is right now, and when it crosses over it's going to give us a good buy signal, just like right here. As soon as it crossed, goodbye. So we're waiting for this to cross. I'd love to see an alert right in here above that little compression right in there. I've already got what I want out of this 10P indicator. It might still need another 10 or 15 minutes. But I am trading from the long side. That bullish hammer that we got a couple of days ago is going to set up well for follow-through buying. We have the Fed ready to ease. They've got the economic soft patch that they were referencing. We're probably going to be easing in the next meeting for sure by the end of the year. So the market's addicted to easy credit. We have China trade talks resuming this week. There's a bullish vibe in the market right now ahead of earnings season, so the bid should remain strong. Right now, we're just giving back a little bit of the gains that we saw late in the day on Friday. I'm expecting that 100-day moving average to hold. I'm expecting us to rally off of it. Let's find some bullish stocks. Before we do that, I want to do a little housekeeping. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel. I am going to be posting these early morning market videos every day throughout the year, and it will have actionable trades in it. Everything that you see, you can get through www.oneoption.com. The product is Option Stalker. So my market analysis will keep us on the right side of the action. Once we get our market bearings, we drill down and we find the best stocks. Option Stalker is the vehicle that gets us to the best stocks. We rely heavily on relative strength versus the S&P 500, and we also rely heavily on our proprietary buy and sell signals. But there's so many variables in Option Stalker that you can't find anywhere else. So we're going to go through some canned searches. Again, please give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'd love to have you as an Option Stalker member. So the first search that I'd like to do today is heavy buying. And let's see what we've got here. These stocks have excellent option liquidity, and they are above the prior day high. I have been long ETFC. This is E-Trade. It's in the gap now. I've been long this since the open pretty much, and it's going my way. I like that stock. It should fill in this gap right here. I'm going to take off the, there's our S&P move. I'm going to be buying futures right in here. It went through my alert line. Right in there on this big drop. We get this little crossover here. Market's a buy right here. So we get through the next resistance level, which is SPY 294. We're about 65 cents off of it. I'm going to hold off just a little bit. but I am ready to buy the S&P 500 futures. I'm going to put another alert line down, and we're going to continue to go through these. So ETFC is a really nice stock. I like it. Look at it grind higher. I've got to take the alerts off of the S&P because I think we're going to keep flying higher and we'll keep getting that alert. I would be buying futures right now in the chat room. Costco, I love it. Renounced earnings last week. It's bouncing off the 100-day moving average. Let's throw that SMA up. I never even got down to it. So you can see this is the horizontal breakout that was finding support. That was the support level I really liked. Resistance, breakout, support. Now it's going. So love selling bullish put spreads right here under this breakout. So your short strike is right under that breakout. AVYA. Lots of power in here. Two big green candles stacked one on top of the other through the 200-day moving average. You gotta like it. And that's also horizontal resistance, so I dropped an alert line there. Let's keep looking. Relative strength 30. This is our edge. We like to find stocks that are strong relative to the S&P 500. RH, I love it. Boom, boom, boom. Overlay the S&P 500. S&P 500 down, stock up. That's relative strength. I would buy it right here, right now. RH is the symbol. Let's keep going through, see what we find. We aren't going to have to go through too many searches. NVIDIA, we've been long from the open in the chat room. I can show you that in a second if you'd like. ALGN, I'm just going through. I'm looking for strength. And I'm looking for these charts. I don't need 50 stocks, I only need a couple. I promised I would try and keep these videos short. So I'm just going to go through some of the other stocks that I've already identified. And Apple is another one that I like. And I found that on another search. Let me go into a 5-minute chart. There you can see Apple grinding higher, market down, Apple higher. Buy Apple. Roku was another one that we found this morning. Roku's starting to pull back, so it's losing its luster. I'm going to put an alert up on Roku. And so we've got our stocks this morning. We have symbol RH, we have Apple, we have NVIDIA, we have Costco, and we have ETFC. Those are the stocks that you want to be focusing on. Those are the stocks that you want to be buying. And all of the searches in Option Stalker helped us find those. I have daily videos that I post. I've got weekly videos to show you the searches that get us to these stocks. Again, I promise to keep these videos short so that you can take advantage of these. You watch the video day in and day out, and you see how we're picking the best stocks that move higher throughout the course of the day. You're going to want to get Option Stalker. So trade well, and I'll see you tomorrow.